Hey guys, welcome back to Easy Internet, and in today's video we're gonna look on how to add audio in your Google Slides. I'm going to use this audio file for this video. So, the first step would be to add this audio file in your presentation in Google Slides. First, you need to upload this audio file into your Google Drive account first, because you need to upload it first to your Google Drive and then only you can upload it in your Google Slides. So first let's upload it to our drive. Open up your Google Drive and click on New. Click on File Upload and choose your audio file. Click on Open, and now it will upload your audio file to your Google Drive. Once the audio file has been uploaded to your Google Drive, you need to open up your Google Slides and open your presentation. In your presentation, you need to click on Insert, and once you click on Insert, you need to click on Audio. Once you click on Audio, it will automatically open your Google Drive, and you need to click on Recent because you have recently uploaded this audio file. Click on your audio file and then click on Insert. After you have uploaded your audio file, you will see this sound icon here. It shows you that you have successfully uploaded the audio file, and you can control here with its settings, which is like you can play the audio, you can pause it, and you can also change the volume if you want. On the right hand side, you can see something like Format Options. So for audio playback, I want the audio to start playing automatically whenever I start the presentation. So I'll click on the option for automatically. I can also choose the volume, but I like to keep it on 100 for this time. You can also check the box for hide icon when presenting, so it hides the sound icon whenever you're presenting your slides. You can also check loop audio, so the audio keeps playing even if it is over. And you can also check or uncheck the stop on slide change. Basically does is it stops the audio from playing if you change the slide. I like to uncheck it for this video. And to check your presentation, you need to go into presenter view, and you can see your audio has automatically started. I hope this video helps you. Do like, share and subscribe to Easy Internet for more such videos. Thanks for watching.